There's a red. Oh, I spooked him and I tossed in front of him and I got him. Where you going, buddy? Where you going? That's a nice red. Oh, that's a nice red. Oh. Let's do this. 28. But there you go. See him. Oh!
First black drum. Oh, that sucker up. I gotta get a picture of that. Where's my phone? Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Oh, jeez!
Oh, God. There we go. Good morning, everybody. It's April 12th. It's about 7 o'clock. It's a beautiful morning here on Pine Island. It's a little bit chilly of a start. It's like 67 degrees or something. Water temperature right now is 74. Should be a beautiful day. It is going to get a little breezy. The wind will pick up as the day goes on. But should be a nice day. I'm actually heading to a place that I haven't been in, I haven't been in a while. I'm taking a couple clients out later in the week, and I believe this is the area that we're going to be fishing. I got to check the weather and all that, but I believe this is the area I'm going to bring them to. So I wanted to come down and check it out today. This trip I'm going to dedicate to a person that was actually supposed to be right there. Those that know him and know him well know he's going through a bit of a medical issue. My buddy Dan has not been on the water in quite some time, and I know it's killing him. I was hoping to get him out today on one of my kayaks, and unfortunately he just wasn't able to make it. So this is for you, Dan. I miss you, buddy. I miss you. All right, this is a deep hole, and I'm already getting ladyfish hits. This is kind of where I was heading, playing this hole until some more water comes in, but kind of got sidelined by the tailing reds. Ooh, hello. Hi there. What's this? It's a sheephead. Alrighty then. I did not expect a little sheephead. Alrighty then. Look at that. On a wise guy. On the mambo. The mambo, baby. There you go, a little sheephead. Interesting. I just had a major bite right over here. We're gonna see if he's still there. That felt like a good fish, man. A little closer to the mangrove though. Right there. That's not the same fish though. That's not the same fish. Nope. That's definitely not the same fish. There's a little snook. That's not the same fish, man. No way that's the same fish.
All right, dude. That's not the same fish. All right, let's see. See if I can get it right at that mangrove. Ooh. Right there. There's another fish. That's a better fish. That is a better fish. That might have been what hit me before. There's my red. That's a nice little red. Yeah. Alright, come on. A nice little red. There's a nice little red. Alright. He just popped off. There's a nice little red. There's a nice little red, huh? Beautiful little fish. We're gonna let this guy go. This might be red number 2. Nope, that's a snook. That's another snook. He like ran right to me. Holy crap. Come here, dude. Come on. There's snook number 2. I gotta start catching some trout. There's another nice red right there. That's a really, really nice red. Come on. Come on. Oh. 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 Come on, dude. He does not like seeing that net. Right there. That's a beautiful fish, man. Right there. It's a nice fish. One dot each. Oh man, he just destroyed that shrimp. Golly. Golly. He just devoured it. This is a nice 18, 19 inch red. I'll take that every day. There, Ned rig with the kicking shrimp. Prawn Star by Wise Guy Tackle. 19. So I was throwing some real shrimp on a popping cork and got absolutely nothing. Switched over to the Wise Guy on the Ned rig. 2 casts later, boom, right there. Another red. Yep, there's another nice little red. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Get up here. Get up here. Oh, he just gnawed himself off. Here we go. What's this? What's this? What is that? Looks like a jack. That looks like it might be a little jack. That would be my guess. I haven't caught a little jack crevalle in a long time. we go. Little Jack Crevalle. It's been a while since I caught one. We got an epic battle going on here. I don't know if it's a snook or a red. But this fish has got him against the mangroves. Even with the weight of the boat, he cannot pull it out. There he goes, there he goes. All right, he's got it away. Oh, that's a nice fish, man. It's like a father and son team. Yeah! Oh, I saw that, man. There we go. Got something for myself. Looks like another snook. Yep. Another little snook. That's 3 snook, 3 bass, or 3 bass, listen to me. 3 snook, 3 reds. Now I gotta get 3 trout. All right, dude. Nice. Slam. So I need 2 more trout for the triple. And hopefully the next ones are bigger. That's a nice fish. That's a nice red. That's another nice red. Oh yeah. That's another nice red. I was thinking it was a snook, but that's okay. That's another nice red. We're not gonna be dumb. Ooh. Oh, he's green. He's still green. There we go. That's a nice red. That's another nice red. We're not gonna measure them. Nah. There's no need. He's not a monster. He's just a very nice fish. Nice little redfish right there. Beautiful redfish right there. Let him go. Choop. It seems. Oh, another little jack. Okay. All right, another little Jack Crevalle. These guys are always fun. I got a dolphin around here too. Come here, dude. Come here. Come here. Come on. Settle down, settle down, settle down. Settle down. Meathead. He started to slip. I tell you, this wind is getting tough to deal with. Ooh. What's that? What's this? Another red. Oh my god. Another friggin' red. Holy moly, dude. Alrighty then.
another red. How about that? Same hole. Same hole. Oh, all right. Well, my hook's out. Same hole. Same hole, another beautiful red. There's a red. Oh, I spooked him and I tossed in front of him and I got him. Where you going, buddy? Where you going? That's a nice red. Oh, that's a nice red. Oh, that's a nice red, hey. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a nice red. Come on. Come on. Listen to that. Listen to that drag scream. That's a nice fish. That is a nice fish, eh? That is a nice fish. On the Renegade rod, the Florida Fishing Products Bahia 2500 task line braid, 20 pound mono, 1/4 ounce jig head with a live shrimp. That is a beautiful redfish. Oh yeah. I saw them. I spooked them. There's another one right there. There's another one right there. I can see him. He's still sitting there. Is that your girlfriend? It's your girlfriend waiting for you to come back. Don't worry. You will be going back. That's a nice fish right there. Beautiful redfish, man. Oh. 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 Hello. He is 28.5. Beautiful redfish right there. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, gorgeous fish. All right, buddy. And away you go. Oh. Oh, I love this place, people. Are you kidding me? Oh Lord, come here, little puppy. After that last guy, you're small. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Very nice redfish. 2 on that side, 1 on that side. Beautiful fish. Let him go. All right, everybody. That's going to do it for me today. What a fantastic day. I don't even know how many reds I've caught today. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah. I don't even know what to say.
It's been a while since I've had a day like today. Doing a lot of guiding lately, so I haven't really fished a lot. So yours truly hasn't caught a lot of fish lately. So that was fun. Yeah. So I'm kind of at a loss here, where I enjoy this. I enjoy making these videos. I definitely enjoy coming out filming, but I enjoy making these videos. I don't know if I've lost a lot of my audience, it seems. It's also YouTube seems to have gone from the mid-range format. They're either pushing long form like hour videos or shorts, and the mid-range aren't getting pushed a lot. And my channel my channel is on life support. So I don't know if you have any suggestions on what I should do, something you want me to do differently, like shut up more, just fish, you know, whatever. Maybe do some fresh water. Yeah, I do more how-to videos. I don't know. I'm just, like I said, I enjoy doing this. I'm not gonna stop. I mean, if a video gets 20 views and those 20 people get something out of it, that means the world to me. So I am going to continue to do it, no matter what. I am going to do a how-to on the steering arm of the older Outback. The post where the screw goes into has stripped on one of mine, so the steering handle just comes right off. So I bought a new steering arm. It's actually not the correct one, so we're gonna have to see if we can make this work. It's actually to an outfitter and not an Outback, but like I said, we're gonna see if we can make this work. But so I mean, I am gonna do that video very soon, maybe like next weekend. But like I said, if there's something you guys want me to do or want me to stop doing, please let me know. I mean, I do this for the viewers, not for me. So, you know, let me know. Yeah. On that note, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something out of this, and yeah. So please like and subscribe. Please ring the notification bell. Please think about becoming a patron. I like to thank my patrons. And if you are looking for a guide here in Southwest Florida, please email me at fishin-dips1@gmail.com. Call or text me at 239-406-2722. We'll pick a date. We'll get you out here on the water. And until then, I'll see you out there.